Hey guys, I want to thank Fairywill Toothbrush for sponsoring today's video. So a little while back, Fairywill sent me their P80 toothbrush, and let me just tell you, it has the coolest features. It's really easy for a lot of people to put way too much pressure on electric toothbrushes while brushing. That's why the P80 has pressure sensor detects. It automatically detects and will alert you when you're brushing too hard, and not only by reducing the motor power, but also by switching on a visible red warning light on the brush. Normal toothbrushes don't have this. Fairywill also knows that people don't want this loud machine noise while brushing their teeth because 1, it's really loud, and 2, it can be really scary. So that's why Fairywill R&D reduced the motor's working noise so it'll be a lot quieter. The Fairywill P80 toothbrush removes 10 times more stains than a manual toothbrush. In sensitive mode, the P80 vibrates 32,000 strokes per minute, which is just right for first-timers. While in the strongest clean mode, it vibrates 40,000 strokes per minute to break the stains, along with other modes like whiten, massage, and polish mode. If you guys have been following me for a while now, you would know that 2020, I took that entire year to perfect my smile. And one of my biggest insecurities has always been like yellowy teeth. But thank you to the P80, I am very, very confident in my smile now. If you guys want to check them out, it'll all be linked down below. Bye!